Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be reviewing AI Detector Pro and AI content humanizer and detector. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to aidetector.pro, and here you can see this is its interface. Now you can tap on to get started for free, and then you can get started for free entering your name, your email address, your password, and etc. Like you have to confirm your password, then you can choose everything, then you can just simply tap onto registered from here. So here you can go. Now let's tap onto these icons. Like you have to select the best role that best fits you. From here you have to learn about AIDP like here, and then you just have to answer this question, then check these icons, then tap on to register. So now then you can get started with AI Detector Pro, and then you can get started with it very easily. So that was pretty much it, and you can check out their subscription from here. They have three types of subscription, and one of them is free one, and the rest of the two are paid one. Here you can see this their subscription amount, and you can compromise all these services of them. So see you on to another video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.